Hey everyone, I want to show you this really cool tool that Brenda shared with me earlier today. It's within Google Docs, but it's a voice typing tool. So if you click on Tools and Voice Typing, this little image will pop up and tell you to click to speak, but then it'll take anything you say and translate it to text on the page. So I wanted to share a math application for you. Earlier this week I blogged about students writing quick journal entries to explain their process for solving problems. And that can be really challenging for students who aren't used to doing that or maybe haven't developed the academic vocabulary to write about their procedures yet. But this might be a way where if they have a problem like 5 plus 8 plus 5, they can verbally explain what they did to combine those numbers, and it's kind of like a bridge between verbalizing their explanations and then being able to write them down. So if I click and then explain what I did, it'll show up on the page. First, I added 5 plus 5 to get 10. Then I added 8 more to get 18. So 5 plus 8 plus 5 equals 18. And then you click on the microphone to stop typing, and it's appeared on the page. So, of course, there's sometimes typos. It doesn't always put in the plus or minus sign, but it should most of the time. Otherwise, they can go back and change that. But I'll put this up on the blog with some other ideas of how to use it in the classroom. Feel free to read more and let me know what you think of it. Thanks.